What's up you guys, Kaipai here and welcome to my channel. This is my first time doing voiceover instead of using AI voices in my shorts, so lower your expectation of me, alright? Let's go into the video. So, when people think of classic American cars, they often imagine roaring V8 engines, chrome accents, long hoods, and some of the most iconic automotive designs ever created. These vehicles were just transportation. They become symbols of freedom, power, and American culture. For today's video, we're counting down the top 5 classic American cars that continue to capture the hearts of enthusiasts decades after they first hit the road. The first one is the Buick Riviera, released in 1971. At first glance, the Riviera stands out because of its unique boat-tail rear design. Inspired by luxury yacht, the rear end of the car tapered dramatically toward the back, creating one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history. Unlike many muscle cars of its era that focused primarily on straight line speed, the Riviera blended luxury and performance. Inside, drivers were treated to a comfortable cabin filled with premium materials and advanced features for the time. Under the hood, powerful V8 engines provided plenty of performance while maintaining a smooth and refined ride. The Riviera is especially suited for a long nighttime highway drives. Its comfortable suspension, spacious interior, and elegant styling make it feel like a luxury cruiser built for crossing entire states in comfort. Even for today, the 1971 Riviera remains one of the most distinctive American classics ever produced. Next up, I hope I pronounced it right, is the Chevrolet El Camino, released in 1970. The El Camino occupies a unique place in automotive history because it combined two completely different worlds. It had the front end and driving characteristic of a muscle car, while the rear featured a pickup truck bed. This unusual combination made the El Camino incredibly versatile. Need to haul equipment or supplies? No problem. Want the performance and style of a muscle car? The El Camino delivered that too. Buyers could choose from a variety of powerful V8 engines, including some of Chevrolet's most respected performance power plants. The 1970 model is particularly admired for its aggressive front-end styling and muscular proportions. The El Camino was perfect for suburban life, weekend adventures, and everyday practicality. It offered utility without sacrificing personality, which is one reason enthusiasts still love it today. Taking the third spot is the legendary Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, released in 1977. Few cars represent 1970s American automotive culture as perfectly as the Trans Am. With its aggressive front fascia, shaker hood scoop, flared bodywork, and iconic screaming chicken hood decal, the Trans Am looked fast even when parked. Powered by a range of V8 engines, the Trans Am delivered strong performance and unmistakable exhaust note that became part of its identity. The car gained even greater fame through movies and television, becoming one of the most recognizable muscle cars in America. The Trans Am feels right at home on wide open highways and desert roads. Its commanding road presence and powerful engine make every drive feel like an adventure. Even decades later, the 1977 Trans Am remains a symbol of American freedom, performance, and individuality. Our runner-up is the stunning Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, released in 1963. Many automotive historians consider the 1963 Corvette one of the most beautiful American sports cars ever built. Its most famous feature was the split rear window, a design element that was only produced for 1 year and has since become highly sought after by collectors. The Corvette Stingray introduced a completely new design philosophy. It was lighter, more agile, and more focused on handling than many of its American competitors. Drivers loved its responsive steering, balanced performance, and sleek aerodynamic shape. The Corvette excelled on winding coastal roads and scenic roads where its sport cars characteristic all truly shine. Even by today's standards, the 1963 Stingray looks modern, elegant, and incredibly sophisticated. It's easy to see why it remains one of the most valuable and celebrated Corvettes ever built. And finally, taking the number one spot is the Porsche Mustang Fastback, released in 1967. The Mustang wasn't just a successful car, it created an entirely new category known as the pony car. The 1967 Fastback is often considered one of the most desirable Mustang designs ever produced. Its long hood, short rear deck, and sweeping fastback roofline created a silhouette that remains instantly recognizable around the world. Buyers could choose from a variety of engines ranging from economical options to powerful V8 performance packages. The Mustang's versatility was one of its greatest strengths. It could serve as a comfortable daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or a serious performance machine. The car became even more famous through appearance in movies, television shows, and popular culture. Whether driving through city streets, carving through canyon roads, or building a modern resto project, the 1967 Mustang Fastback continues to represent everything enthusiasts love about classic American performance. These five vehicles helped shape American automotive history and continue to inspire car enthusiasts around the world. From the luxury elegance of the Buick Riviera to the timeless performance of the Ford Mustang Fastback, each of these classics represents a unique chapter in America's automotive story. Which of these classic American cars is your favorite? Or do you have your own favorite car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, I recommend you to check my shorts. Don't forget to like and subscribe.